$9. We basically fixed it. We got a good LSD. Heaps better than taking it to someone.
Yep, you can do it yourself at home. Just a little bit of knowledge. Just take your time, make sure all the bolts go back.
And now we have to do your one.
Yeah, but I think we should test yours first.
You reckon we should test it?
Yeah, let's test it. I reckon that's pretty good. I think for $9 it works pretty good.
$9. Oh,
Yeah.
It works. What happened to that?
Oh, that was good. No. Actually, this side's clean. There's no mud on this side.
It's because all the bog holes are going on that side. Alright, so first up, let's get this oil out of the diff.
Yeah.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah, it's right here.
No, the bottom one, not the top one. That's where you fill it from.
I was about to do the top one.
Do you know what you're doing, mate?
I think.
I find it funny that we're crawling around on our knees right now when we have a hoist.
Yeah, I know. And I was the one that said, oh, we'll just leave it at this height.
Please don't strip that.
Oh, there we go. Bucket. Oh, wow, that's bad, actually.
This is new.
Is it?
This hasn't been in it for that long. Alright, what's next? We gotta take this caliper off.
Yeah. I was going to WD for you all this.
Yeah. So what do we got? We got 2 bolts. One there and one there.
I was reading this before, the first time I've ever read it. Protects golf clubs from corrosion.
What?
I know, that's like... honey, I'm just going to go and spray my golf clubs.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty,
I
man.
need to get an L and an R tattooed on my hands.
That one was easy as. And now the others will be stuck on you, watch.
Do you want that 9mm?
Yeah. Where did we go? Here it is.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Here's a trick. Using a spanner. Easy as.
Only if you have a square.
Only if you have a square. You've got a circle shaft.
Yeah.
Right, where we at now? So
We've got 6 bolts at the back.
6 bolts at the back here behind the hub.
Yeah.
Undo them and it should just
Pop out.
pop straight out, eh?
Yeah.
17's my biggest
The
one.
invention that everyone forgets about.
These are the best invention ever. So I'm just going to clean his flange up
Yep.
so that when we separate it, it hopefully doesn't have too much crap falling into the seals and the bearing facing and stuff.
Yeah, it's coming out. Do your hand?
I think I'm right. Oh, that seal's really getting the work out of there. Lovely. And that's one. Axle out. Or 2.
What do you mean? We haven't done the other side.
Yeah, this is our first time. It's really good. Oh, I can just see your creepy little eye. Now we just take all the bolts off all the way around it and drop every single one.
Every single one.
There we go. The pumpkin is out. It's probably worn out, it just looks very shiny. Look.
Yeah, it looks very new. It's a bit rusty.
Yeah, actually she is.
Might be getting a bit of water in.
Should be fine. It's all good.
You need gloves, man.
I know, I'm getting rust all over me.
Smooth.
We'll just edit that out. We'll just pretend that looks really good.
Rusty one.
Ready?
Yep. That's better.
That was easy.
It might be a bit looser now.
We haven't done the one that... That's the one that we've been trying. We still haven't done that yet. Ready?
Yep.
Oh. Number 8.
There we go.
Oh, this is the best thing ever. This shift
Good
job.
technique, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
Eh? I love doing it.
I'll just mark it in case.
Yeah, in case it's not doubled up.
Could be another mark somewhere else.
Yeah.
Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. Flip it the bomb.
Ooh.
Oh, hello.
Curve is really important too, the way that it's curved.
Yeah.
It's like building sandcastles.
So we'll put these bolts in to use as locators. It's easy to take apart.
Yeah,
I
and then
think
just dropping a mini spool in will be easy as.
2 seconds
Yeah.
with muddies.
So to be more like. It's collapsing.
0.77 on a good diff is supposed to lock the diff completely.
And is that what you put in?
This is a 0.77.
Okay.
0.55, or I think it is, or 5.2 on a worn out, on a good diff is supposed to just make it better.
Yeah.
But because this disc's kind of slightly worn, I went 0.77 because I figured I'll make up the slack.
Yeah.
But the diff might not be that bad. Oh, so it stops, it actually does.
Tightening, and then all of a sudden it loosens. And then you got Daniel's face on the flywheel bolts.
So line our lines back up.
So you need to let your ring gear drop.
And it makes it really easy to do up.
Going to Blackwood.
No, let me get it muddy.
Yeah, I don't want to get mine muddy. I literally just spent ages cleaning door jams and engine bays.
All of a sudden, where's your four-wheel drive? I'm getting muddy.
At least mine's here though.
Can you release that?
Yep.
You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that twice to the same bolt. Yep. Good job, Nath. Yeah, Nath. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, Nath. Good on you, mate.
That, yeah.
Rock this side by side. See?
Yep.
So what we're going to do, bring it up so we get zero clearance.
So you can't rock it.
Just like adjusting the wheel bearing.
My adjusting a wheel bearing is just like,
Yeah, mine's the
probably
same.
close enough.
Yeah.
Spins alright.
Put on it right, I've got it to zero.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put a little bit of pre-light on. That's it. And that's enough to give you your bearing. Now, if you put that back on now.
Locking cap.
Yeah, you got to be tensioned up, these two caps too.
So we're going to set it up. hammer. What are the bolts over there?
Yeah.
You've got to pump it up, pump it up. Stop.
There we go.
Alright, camera guy.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, bit of a troll moment there.
I'll support the shaft.
Yeah, hold it up. I'll cradle the balls. Ready? Yeah.
Probably should have learned it.
I can drag it on the inside of the axle too.
Oh, there's a lip here. Hang on. There's a lip. There we go. That really doesn't sound good. Fingers.
Touch your fingers. Okay.
Good as new.
It's in. Oh, there we go. It's in. It's in and then it's in.
Bang.
Yeah, I'll take the ratchet spanner.
Okay, that's right.
Oh no, where is it? Where's the 17 ratchet spanner?
You're losing.
Be at the very top.
Huh?
Be at the very top.
You're losing, Nath.
You want to get 3 on before you get the ratchet spanner on?
It's
You
not
get
here!
You're gonna find it here. That's 1.
It's not in here, man.
2. At the very top of the drawer. I don't know why I'm helping him. I really want to do that.
At the top of the drawer, it's not here.
That's 2.
Spanner. No, it's not in here, mate.
Looks like I'm getting a beer.
Oh, it's right there.
They're the ones I've already done.
One.
Lock them up and I'm done.
Oh, look at that.
Locked. That's a beer.
Oh, one more. How many you done?
I'm done. Me not. There we go.
That's a beer, Nath.
Got to fill it up, don't you know? Fill it up. On record.
Yeah.
Oh, what? You know what? Nathan really conveniently timed going, you know what? I'll do some filming. Michael, you can lift the wheel.
Why do you think I said to Daniel, yeah, you should probably go put your wheel on, eh?
As long as you start. That's not a TV42.
So we were going to do a burnout to test the limited slip.
Oh yeah, fresh oil in it. Barely been run in. Let's do a burnout.
How do you test the limited slip? That felt good. I want to see that. We got to watch that.